morning to all present here. This is Pratigya and Khushi from class 9th, and today we are going to ask questions with each other which are based on geography.
Hey, hello.
What's your lucky name?
My name is Khushi and yours?
My name is Pratigya. Can I ask you a few questions?
Yeah, why not?
Okay. What is a globe?
A globe is a small model of Earth.
Repeat again.
We are repeating the question. What is a globe?
A globe is a small model of Earth. It helps us by showing directions, shape, size and location of the continents and oceans.
Okay.
Can I ask a question to you?
Yeah, for sure.
What is a map?
A map is a drawing of all parts of Earth's surface.
Okay.
Can you tell me about the difference between a globe or a map?
Yes. A globe is a little use of when we want to study about the areas of the earth like countries, districts or towns or villages. And on the other hand, map is helpful when we want to study about the earth areas or parts with a specific information.
Okay. That was our conversation. Thank you. Have a colorful day.